Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a nude and neutral look for when you want to keep it low-key but still look stunning.
Taylor.
I've already primed my face, put on my foundation, and contoured, so I'm ready to dig right in with my Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette. I'm going to be using the shade called Shy and putting it around the outer corners of my eyes. There are 6 metal 3D textured shadows in this palette, and I'm going to be using the one called Trustfund to use on the inner corner of my eye as well as the center. Next, I'm going to use the lightest shade in my Revolution Beauty 1 Million palette to highlight the corners of my eyes. Now I'm just going to go in and blend. I'm going to use Cocoa next to go through my crease and blend some more. La-di-da-di-da. Now that is all blended and beautiful, I'm going to go in with Shy yet again and put it right underneath my eyes. I'm going to go in with this Vasanti Cosmetics Waterline eyeliner and put it right where it's supposed to go, on my waterline. Next, I'm getting out my favorite Kat Von D tattoo liner to give myself some sweet looking wings. Now I'm going in with my Vivid Matte Liquid Lipstick by Maybelline in the shade Nude Thrill. This lip color is extremely creamy, but that means that it takes forever to dry, so I definitely recommend blotting to get the matte effect. I bought these lashes as a set of 5 from Walmart, and they definitely seem to do the trick. Let's pretend I didn't mess up the editing and I'm still wearing lipstick. There we go, we're back in business. Alright, so I'm going to use my tweezers now to apply my lashes after the glue is just tacky enough to stick. Just a reminder that this glue will dry clear. Dry. Now I'm going to use my sample of the Tarteist Lash Paint by Tarte to go in and really separate my lashes and lengthen. That glue hasn't gotten a chance to dry yet, I'm just going to cover it up a little bit with some of my liquid eyeliner. After this, I have achieved my final look. Thank you so much for watching. I would love for you to like and subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram at SophistaFunkBeauty.